It's 2022. Happy New Year's, by the way. It's time to level up your credit score. Time to level up your credit profile. Time to fix your bad credit. Let's talk about it. Welcome to Level Up Finance, where we talk about money, mindset on the road to get millions. On this episode, we're going to talk about how to fix your credit for 2022. In 2020, I started my credit journey. I did a lot of things right and I did a lot of things wrong. And if I could do it all over again, these are the steps I would take to level up my credit, to level up your credit score, to level up your credit profile so you can get funded anytime you want. One of the first things I would do, if I could do it all over again, would get some positive trade lines. When I started my credit journey to fixing my credit, I just was disputing, that was it. Disputing, try to get things off my credit. I didn't care about no trade lines, but that's where I messed up because I lost 7 months of time doing it that way. So if I could do it all over again, I get some positive trade lines. And you're probably asking yourself, if I got bad credit, how can I get positive trade lines? Easy, because there's a lot of companies out there that specialize with credit cards to give to bad people with bad credit. All right, so we're gonna go over some of them now. Now we got Aspire. All right, you have to pre-qualify for this. You don't need to have the best credit in the world, and you could get this credit card. All right. Another one is Milestone. You can pre-qualify, see if you qualify for this credit card. And if you get it, cool, another positive trade line. Now you got Mission Lane, same thing. See if you pre-approved. If you pre-approved, you get the credit card, you got another positive trade line. Boom, you got Credit One. See if you pre-qualify, same thing. See, then you get another credit card. And another way you could get positive trade line is with Grain. All right, Grain Technology. Try Grain. It's only in the App Store right now, only for Apple. You could join the Android waiting list whenever that comes out for Android, and this basically go by your banking account. They don't check your credit or nothing. Just strictly your bank account. So if your bank account look good, like you be having a balance, a nice balance in there, stuff going on, then boom, you can get yourself a Grain account, and then it goes all the way up to $1,000. It might go higher eventually, but it started at $1,000. I had an Open Sky account, which is a secure card. You could put I think up to $5,000, $4,000 on there with a $200 minimum. Hey, I'm okay with the $200 minimums. If you want to do just the minimum, that's cool. That's another positive trade line. Another one, they don't even check your credit. I had this one. I had the U.S. Bank card. I ended up canceling it before unsecured, because I started getting all this credit, so I didn't need it anymore. I didn't need no more secure cards. But I had that one. But now they got new ones. They got secure cards that give you 4x on dining, takeout, 2x on grocery store, gas station. Getting all these points, you go up to $5,000, and the minimum is $300 for these cards. And you got another credit builder, which is cash back. So you got 3 different accounts you could get, credit cards you get with U.S. Bank. And First Tech, you got secure loans, secure cards. Look at this, boom, with your savings. You got Platinum Secure Card. You can get all these different ones and get a positive trade line. You could just do the bare minimum if need be. All the credit cards and everything and bank should be in the description below. All right, so you could just click on it and then get to it. And couple honorable mentions. PenFed do secure loans. Navy Federal do secure loans, secure cards. You can go to your local credit union, get a secure card, get a secure loan. The name of the game is to get as much positive trade lines as possible. This way, the good outweigh the bad, all right? And you get the trade lines first before you start disputing, or at the same time you're disputing, so you can hit the ground running once your credit is fixed. That's the name of the game. Next, you want to dispute everything, all right? You got charge off, dispute it. You got collections, dispute it. You got lates, dispute it. Dispute everything. Because when I was disputing stuff started falling off. So I was hoping to dispute everything drop off, have a clean slate, then I could start from ground zero, and there you go. But they know the game too, you know, most of them. So I got some things off, you know, like I started my credit journey April of 2020, and by the end of 2020, I had like one collection, and I started with like 5 collections. All right. And some charge-offs dropped off too, and everything like that. And I'm going to leave a dispute letter in the description below too. You could download it, you could use it. This is what I use. It worked. And I'm going to keep giving you more stuff, you know, later on during the year. But this is what you're going to start off with. You know, 2022 is the year to level the up. You know what I'm saying? After you dispute for a couple of months, if things don't start falling off, hey, you start, you know, sending letters and try to settle. You call, try to settle. If it's small, like $200, $100, just do a pay for delete. You know, it's no need to haggle about $100. You know what I'm saying? Just pay it off. It go off your credit card. Your credit report, and now you clean. Now you clean. You have positive trade lines going for you. You have things dropping off your credit report, and have everything drop off your credit report, and you don't have no derogatories and all this positive stuff. Boom! Now your credit score is good. Now you lendable to banks. Now you look favorable to banks. Now you can get unsecured cards. Now you get unsecured loans. You're way better now. And now that money that you spent for secure loans, secure cards, and definitely have a credit mix. If you had to pay a credit agency to clean up your credit, or you did it yourself, or you had to pay and settle some accounts, if you had to spend a few $1,000s, like $3,000, and now you're able to get $30,000, $50,000, $60,000, $100,000 in credit, it was worth the investment. All right, now you're able to get low interest credit cards, low interest loans for your car, a low interest home mortgage. You get a 2-family, 3-family, 4-family. You get a home that pays you. Now you could do big boy moves because you fixed your credit. Because you fixed your credit. So it'll be worth the investment. All right? This is how we're going to do 2022, right? We're going to level up. So if you like this, give me one of these. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed. And I'll talk to you on the next one, all right? Level up.
Higher.